Nahihiya. I'm just ashamed. You know why? Because I'm lucky to have some money and people supporting me. You know my medicines, how expensive? I'm taking meropenem, carbapenems, one of the highest antibiotics. But our countrymen are very poor. They do not have health care. They are just dying there from the corruption of politicians. I'm sorry. Nakita nyo, why is my voice like this? Why is my voice like this? Wala na ako boses. Na-dry na ako. Paus na ako. The old Doc Willie is gone. The duwag Doc Willie is gone. This is the new Doc Willie. This is the matapang Doc Willie Ong. Kaya pag sabihin nyo duwag at pagtok si Doc Willie, yun yung luma ha. Iba na to. Pasensya na po mga politiko. Masasagasaan ko na kayo ngayon. Anyway pa, ako, pagkat ko dila ako, mas mali siguro sinabi mo, Doc. Anyway, I'm dying. I don't care anymore. I don't care. I will tell you the truth. Politicians are corrupt in the Philippines. Sorry po kaibigan ko kayo lahat. Pasensya na po. Nagkaka-vision ako kagabi. I asked my doctor, every night I dream there is a black hand trying to attack me. You can say I am crazy, okay lang. I do not have fear anymore. I don't care if you bash or like me anymore. I will tell you the truth. Let me drink.